Today we will be working on a True 32 from the Steel Magnolia. There will be a discount code linked for you guys in the description. We will be painting it white. I have a love with chalk paint. It's just quick and easy, but you're more than welcome to just spray paint it white as well. I have mixed up a little bit of epoxy, and I am just going to apply this in a very thin layer, just enough to make our cup sticky, and then we are going to apply our glitter using the epoxy method. I am using the glitter color called Lady Liberty. It's a really pretty red, blue, silver mix with some really cute stars and tinsel. And we are just going to apply this all over our cup until it's completely covered. Once that has cured a couple of hours, we are going to add epoxy until this cup is smooth. With this chunkier type of glitter, it usually takes me about 2 coats. Once your cup is smooth and completely cured, we're going to take 2 spray paint colors. I am using Rust-Oleum's Ink Blue and Apple Red, and this is kind of my little signature on these geode cups. I spray both colors side by side in kind of a swirl pattern. Once your blue and red swirl has dried to the touch, we're going to take a flat or matte white spray paint and spray paint our entire cup. We are going to take some rubbing alcohol and some acetone. I have them just in these little pump bottles. I like to use paper towels, and when your cup is dry to the touch where you can handle it without leaving fingerprints, your paint is ready to be removed. It is best not to let this sit overnight, as it's just harder for the paint to come off. So we're going to start with our acetone by taking a little bit on our paper towel and removing as big or as little section as you would like. You'll kind of get to this point right here where you're thinking, crap. I ruined it right here, but don't panic. After you are done removing the paint and you have this smudgy mess, you're going to go right over the top, moving fairly quickly with the rubbing alcohol, and the rubbing alcohol will remove all of that mess. Continue removing sections of paint on your cup. Just keep in mind that we will need to leave a section of white for our decal as we are using water slide. now that that epoxy layer has cured, I printed my decal on clear water slide. You're just going to soak it in like a shallow dish until the backing is moving around and ready to come off. I just usually put my finger at the top until the backing slides off and just gently press it down. Then you can use like a silicone brush or something, but usually I just take a damp paper towel and smooth it out and get rid of all the bubbles. And here is our tumbler all finished. This has to be one of my all-time favorite cups. I just love the end result so much, and I designed the American Woman decal, so it does have a special place in my heart. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, make sure you join my Facebook group with the link in the description, and check for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust. Thanks for watching, guys.